Update iPhone, iPad, and Mac to the latest operating system developer Beta 4. iPhones, compatible with iOS 17.6 Beta 4. iPhone 15 series, 14 series, 13 series, 12 series, 11 series, iPhone XS, iPhone XR, iPhone SE, 2020, iPhone SE, 2022. Before moving to the next step, we would like to recommend Combo Cleaner. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. Available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Download and install it today at combocleaner.com. Grab our limited deal for Windows and Mac users. Use the coupon code PCRISK30 for 30% off at the checkout. iPads compatible with iPadOS 17.6 Beta 4. iPad Pro 12.9-inch, 2nd generation and later, iPad Pro 10.5-inch, iPad Pro 11-inch, 1st generation and later, iPad Air, 3rd generation and later, iPad, 6th generation and later, iPad mini, 5th generation and later. Macs compatible with macOS Sonoma 14.6 Beta 4. MacBook Air from 2018 or newer, MacBook Pro from 2018 or newer, iMac from 2019 or newer, iMac Pro 2017 model, Mac Mini from 2018 or newer, Mac Studio 2022 model, Mac Pro from 2019 or newer. Check your device model to see OS compatibility. For iPhone and iPad, open your device settings. Go to General and select About. Look for the model name to see which iPhone or iPad you have. Check the model name against the supported device list. For Macs, click the Apple logo and select About this Mac. Here, you'll see your Mac's model name. Check the model name against the supported devices list. Sign up for the Apple Beta software program. If you've already enrolled, skip this step and go straight to the installation process. For iPhone and iPad, go to beta.apple.com and sign up using the Apple ID you use on your iPhone or iPad. Enroll your device in the program by agreeing to the terms and conditions. For Mac, open any web browser and go to developer.apple.com. Click on the Account button located in the menu bar. Enter the Apple ID you want to use for beta updates. An Apple Developer Beta Program Agreement will appear. Check the box to agree and click Submit. How to download and install iOS 17.6 Beta 4. Launch the Settings app, navigate to General, and tap on Software Update. Look for and tap on Beta Updates. Choose the iOS 17 Developer Beta option from the list. Tap the Back option, then tap Update Now to install the beta. How to download and install macOS Sonoma 14.6 Beta 4. Click the Apple logo and choose System Settings. Click General and select Software Update. Look for the Beta Updates option and click the info icon next to it. Click the drop-down menu next to Beta Updates and select macOS Sonoma Developer Beta. Click Done and wait for the software update window to refresh. Click Update Now next to macOS Sonoma 14.6 Beta 4. To keep your Mac clutter and virus-free, download the Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer from malicious software infections and advertising-supported software. The disk cleaner will scan Mac for application cache, logs, browser data, and other useless files that can be safely removed to regain valuable disk space. It will also show you how much space what files take up in storage. With Combo Cleaner you can look through all big files with ease and delete the ones you don't need. You can also scan for duplicate files. Sometimes you might not know that you have a few copies of the same file. With Privacy Scanner, eliminate data stored when browsing the internet, including cookies, history, cache, and other files that can reveal your private information. The Uninstaller feature allows you to find hidden components of applications and uninstall them from your Mac completely with just a couple of clicks. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.